In this video, I will show you that how to change your TikTok region or location. Okay, so first of all, make sure that your TikTok is opened up. Then you have to tap on the three lines onto the top right. Then click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on languages here. Okay, and then you have to click on like preferred languages. Okay, here you can see that this will help us customize your viewing experience. So let's suppose that if you want to see the TikToks of Espanol language, you will just tap on this here and you will click on done here. Okay, but this change will actually take some time because TikTok will slowly show you Espanol TikToks and you will watch them and you will like them, and then they and then the TikTok will show you more. Okay, the next thing that you can do, you will click on this content preferences option here, like this one. Then click on this one, filter video keywords, then add keyword, and then you have to enter your keyword here. So let's suppose that if you want to view the gaming videos here, or let's suppose if you want to view like cricket sports video here, you can just type here. Okay, and cricket videos here, and cricket videos, and then you can just like here and come back, add keywords again, and let's suppose first of all for you, and then click on cricket here, then click on save here. Now TikTok will show you the cricket videos. So that's how to change your TikTok region. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.